Hello there. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining. And today we are going to continue with that linear equations. And I'll just share the screen of the 10th standard textbook. Okay, so what all we have done. So this we have completed yesterday, and this also we have done. Okay, and yesterday we completed this as well as we went into the solving the simultaneous equations. 1, 3, 5 was done, and 2, 4, 6 you were asked to do at home. Okay, now let's look at one particular possibility, that is solving simultaneous equations like x plus 2y equal to 4. X plus 2y equal to 4 and 3x plus 6y equal to 12. Now, the normal way of drawing the table and finding the points is your x and y. So for x plus 2y equal to 4, the coordinates are -2, 3, 0, 2, 2, 1. And for 3x plus 6y equal to 12, the coordinates are -4, 4, 1, 1.5, 8, and -2. Okay. So what happens when you plot this on a graph? Now this is what happens with this 7 points. What is there? So what you see is that, okay, first is -2, 3. -2, 3 is here. 0, 2 is here. It's on the y-axis. 2, 1, 2, 1 is here. And the other equation, 3x plus 6y equal to 12, -4, 4. -4 and 4, which is actually here, -4 and 4. 1, 1.5. 1, 1.5 is here. And 8 and -2. So this is 8 and -2 will be going down. 8 is here, sorry, here, and -2. This is. So what do you see here is that although we have two equations, when you plot all these points on the graph, they all appear in a straight line. Okay. So what is the solution of this equation? You can have infinite solutions. So right now you can say that -4, 4 is a solution, -2, 3 is a solution, 0, 2 is a solution, 1, 1.5 is a solution, 2, 1, 8, -2. There are infinite. Infinite means endless solutions you can get. Now, how does let us answer this question. Are the graphs of both the equations different or the same? Graphs of both the equations, are they different or the same? Do we get two lines or just one line? It's only one line. So it's graphs are same. What are the solutions of two equations, x plus 2y equal to 4 and 3x plus 6y equal to 12? The solution is many, -4, 4, 2, -2, 3, 0, 2, and so on. Okay. How many solutions are possible? Just now we discussed that. That was infinite solution is possible. Okay, what are the relations between coefficients of x, coefficient of y, and constant terms in both equations? What that means is that, so x plus 2y is equal to 4. The coefficient is, here it is 1, right? And x and x, the coefficient is 1/3. Okay, the ratio, if you look at it, both the, then 2y and 6y is 2/6, which is nothing but 2, 3, the 1/3. And the third one is the constant, the number 4/12. And what you get? 4 ones are 4 3s are 12. So what you observe is that the ratios are same, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. And that is the condition. If you have two equations where the ratios are equal, then you will get a one straight line. You will not get two lines. How many solutions are possible? There are infinite solutions possible. What are the relations between coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and constant terms in both the equation? This is coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and coefficient of the constant, which is 4 and 12. So the relation is that all of them are equal. Okay. What conclusion can you draw when two equations are given, but the graph is only one line? Okay, if two equations are given and graph is coming in only one line, it means that there are infinite solutions to those two equations, and you will get one single line. You will not get two different lines. The ratios, if the ratios are equal, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3, then only you will get this situation. Okay, so that was a discussion. Let's discuss this. Right? So these two equations, whenever you see the ratio of x and y as well as the constant equal, then you will get such type of a graph. So solution of this is infinite. So either 2, 1 is a solution, -4, 4 is a solution. You could also select any number from this, like the here you have x is 4 and y is 0. 4, 0 is a solution. So infinite solutions are possible. Okay. Okay, now let us consider another example. X minus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y equal to 12. Think of the relationship between the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and the constant terms and draw the inference. Okay, now here what happens is that coefficient of x is 1/2 because here it is 1 and here it is 2. So, and what about the y? Y will be -2 upon -4, which is nothing but 1/2. So coefficient of x, the ratio of the coefficient of x and y are equal, one half and half. But what about the constant? The constant number is 4 here and 12 here. So 4/12 is how much? 4 ones are 2, 4 threes are 12. Is it same as the other two ratios? No. This was half and half. This is 1/3. So in that case, what happens is that let's look at the graph now. So we will draw the graph for this particular scenario. Okay. Right. So first of all, I need to just copy down the two equations. So the equations are x minus 2y equal to 4. Okay. So here I'll write it, x minus 2y is equal to 4. And the other equation is x minus 2y equal to 4 and 2x minus 4y equal to 12. 2x minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 12. Double check again. X minus 2y equal to 4 and 2x minus 4y equal to 12. Okay, so let's now go through the process of preparing the table. So first of all, minus 2y is equal to minus x plus 4. Okay, so y will be minus x plus 4 upon minus 2. So y equal to minus x upon minus 2 plus 4 upon minus 2. So y equal to x minus minus cancels, x upon 2, then this cancels, 2 to the 4, minus sign will come here, so minus 2. This is your equation y. So what we do is that we prepare the table now. X is the first coordinate and y is the other coordinate. We need to have maybe we will find three points. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Then this side, coming this side, what you get is 2x minus 4y. So minus 4y is equal to minus 2x plus 12. So y is equal to minus 2x upon 4 minus 4 plus 12 upon minus 4. So what you get is y is equal to 2 cancels, minus minus cancels. So x upon 2, then this is 4, 3s are 12. Minus sign will come there. So minus 3. This is the equation. Let's look at the table now. X, Y, 3 points. You want 1, 2, and 3. So the table, we will fill it up. First, we'll go here and do. So X is suppose say 0. So 0 upon 2 is 0. 0 minus 2. So this will become minus 2. X is suppose 4. So 4 upon 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And one more you can do is minus 2 is supposed to take. So y will be minus 2 upon 2, which is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 you'll get here. These are the 3 points which you could plot for x minus 2y equal to 4. Then this one, next one is x upon 2 minus 3. So x is suppose 2. So 2 upon 2, which is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Then another one, let us take 4. 4 upon 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 4 upon 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. And we could always take 0. 0 means x upon 2 is 0. So what is left is minus 3. So we have the 6 points ready to plot on the graph paper. As I told last time, we always need to write a scale, x and y axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So let's plot these first. 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is here. 4 0. 4 0 is here. Minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is here. Okay. Now we bring the scale and we try to plot a line passing through all the 3 points. Yeah, so just need to turn it, and then you come here. As you can see now, the 3 points are readily available to join, and we just convert it here. So this is your first equation. What is the equation here? You can say that x minus 2y equal to 4. This is what? X minus 2y is equal to 4. And the second equation is 2x minus 4y equal to 12. So let's plot these points also. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Here. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Here. 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3. When I plot these 3 points and then I want to draw a line between all the 3. So you can see that they are not intersecting. They are actually, in fact, they are, let's look at it after we draw the line. So I'll just take the ruler off. So what you get is 2 lines which are not intersecting. Okay. This line what you have drawn just now is 2x minus 4y equal to 12. 2x minus 4y equal to 12. That is this line. Just now we have drawn the 3 points. Okay. So are they intersecting? No, they are not intersecting. So are they showing anything else? It shows that these 2 lines are parallel. So these 2 lines are parallel. Now, when will 2 lines be parallel? They will not intersect at all. If you look at the equation once again, x, this is 1 here, and this is 2 here. Okay. So this is minus 2 and minus 4. So the ratio of the coefficient is 1 upon 2 and minus 2 upon minus 4. Minus 2 upon minus 4, which is nothing but 1 upon 2. Minus 2 upon minus 4 is 1 upon 2. So the ratio of the coefficient of x and y is the same. But what about the constant? Constant means 4 and 12. Is it same? 4 upon 12 is 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So it's not same. It's not 1 upon 2. So this is what happens when you have two parallel lines. The ratio of the coefficient of x and y will be equal, that is half in this case, and ratio of the constant will not be equal, 4 and 12. So in this cases, we get two parallel lines. Okay, so this is clear, I suppose. So let's look at let's go back to the question paper and see what are they saying. Observe it. We have plotted the points. Think of the relation between the coefficients of x, coefficients of y, and the constant term, and draw the inference. So coefficient of x is same 1 upon 2. Coefficient of y is also same 1 upon 2. Coefficient of the constant terms is 4 upon 12, which is 1 upon 3. Okay. So in this case, you will get parallel lines. Okay. So if it intersects, definitely this is an example of infinite solutions. And earlier we have seen the graphs where they are intersecting. Okay, whenever they intersect, they have one solution. If they don't intersect, they're only, all of them are in one line, means there are infinite solutions. Okay, and when the coefficient of x and y are equal and the constant is not equal, means 4 upon 12 is 1 upon 3, then you get parallel lines. You get parallel lines. You don't get lines which intersect with each other. Okay, so that's clear about the graphical method of doing. Now let us look at another way of solving simultaneous equation, which is called as a Cramer's rule. For that, you need to understand what is a determinant. Okay, now a, b, c, d is a determinant, and a, b, c, d are rows. Okay, and a upon c and b upon d are columns. Okay, so a, b is a row, c, d is a row, a upon c is a column, b upon d is a column. Okay, degree of this determinant is 2 because there are two elements in each column. Okay, degree. And how do you get the value of this a, b, c, d? You get by multiplying a into d minus b into c. So what you get is AD minus BC. AD minus BC is the value of the determinant, A upon C and B upon D. Determinants normally are represented with capital letters like A, B, C, D, okay, etc. Now let us look at some solved examples to understand these determinants. Find the value of the following determinants: 5 upon 7 and 3 upon 9. So what you need to do is that 5 into 9 minus 7 into 3. That is actually 5 nines are 45 minus 21, which is nothing but here answer is given 24. So AD minus BC gives you the value of the determinant. This determinant was named as A. Next one can be named as N. Minus 8, minus 3, minus 2, and 4. So what you get is minus 8 into 4 minus 3 into 2. So a minus 8 into 4 is minus 32. And this one will become minus into minus will become plus 3 to the 6. So minus 32 plus 6 is minus 26. That is the value of the second one. Then what about this one? This one is actually 2 root 3 into 3 root 3 minus 2 into 9. So this, how do you do that? 2 3s are 6. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, minus 9 2s are 18. So 6 3s are 18 minus 18, which is actually 0. The determinant value is 0. Now determinants can be used to solve simultaneous equations, and how it is done is using the Cramer's rule. This method was first given by a Swiss mathematician, Switzerland mathematician. His name was Gabriel Cramer. So it is called as Cramer's method of solving two simultaneous equations. Okay. Now, to use Cramer's method, the equations are written in this form: a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. And this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now x and y are variables, and a, b, c, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are numbers, or you can say they are real numbers. And a1, b2 minus a2, b2 is not equal to 0. That means a1 into b2 minus a2 into b2 should not be equal to a2 into a1 b2 minus a2 a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Yeah, it's not equal to 0. So this method can be understood by taking an example. Okay. So there are three determinants needed. One is called as d, the other one is called dx, the other one is called as dy. Okay, and finally x is equal to dx upon d and y equal to dy upon d. Okay, d, dx, dy, remember the order of the columns. This is the order in which you have to proceed. So now what we can do is that we will take an example and solve it. Okay, so this is the Swiss mathematician. His name is Gabriel Kramer. Okay, how to find a solution using Kramer's rule. So 5x plus 3y equal to minus 11. This is the first equation. And 2x plus 4y equal to minus 10. Now the first determinant is d, and that will be the coefficient of x and y. So 5, 3, 2 and 4. Okay. So 5 into 4 is 20. 20 minus 3 to the 6 is equal to 14. So what you get is d equal to 14. Then dx. In dx what you do? Minus 11, 3, minus 10, 4. And then multiply minus 11 into 4 minus 10 into 3. So what you get is here minus 11 into 4 is minus 44. Then minus minus becomes plus. So this becomes plus 30. So minus 44 plus 30 equal to minus 14. What is this? dx. dx is equal to minus 14. And dy. dy is equal to 5 minus 11, 2 minus 10. So 5 into minus 10 minus 2 into minus 11 minus 50 minus plus 22. This becomes minus 28. So dy is equal to minus 28. How will you find x and y? X is equal to dx upon d, dx upon d, which is minus 14 upon 14, which is minus 1, and y is equal to dy upon d. So minus 28 upon 14 plus 14, which is equal to minus 2 again. So what is the answer? X equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. This is the solution of this. This method is called Kramer's method. Okay. So you need to find d first, then dx, and then dy. Then x will be what? X will be dx upon d, and y will be dy upon d, and you will get the answer of that. Okay, now let us look at this example. Is an activity actually, and I'll just increase the size a bit so you can clearly see. Okay, to solve the simultaneous equation by the determinant method, which is nothing but the Kramer's rule. So what is it? What is the 2x plus y equal to 19? This is the ax plus by equal to c. This format you have to write the equation. So 2x plus y equal to 19 and 2x minus 3y equal to minus 3 will go that side. So that is this format. So what is d? d will be x and y coordinates. So here will be 2, this 2, and this here it is 1. 2, 1, and 2 minus 3 is already given to you. So what do you get here? 2 into minus 3. Okay. 2 into minus 3 is there, minus 2 into 1. So 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6 minus 2. So what you get here is nothing but minus 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. Okay. Now you go and do minus dx. Dx is what? 19 and dx is equal to 19 and 1, the coefficient of y, and minus 3 and minus 3, because here also it is minus 3. So 19 into minus 3 minus 1 into minus 3. So what you get in 19 3 is a minus 57, and dx is minus 1 into minus 3, which is actually plus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3, this is minus 3, or you can say plus 3 directly. So 19 3 is a 57 minus 1 into minus 3, which is actually plus 3. Minus 57 minus 3 is minus 60. Okay, dx is minus 60. Then what is dy? dy would be 219 2 minus 3. 219 2 minus 3. So what you get here is 2 into minus 3 is, so it will be 2 into minus 3 minus 19 into 2. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 19 into 2 is minus 38. So 38 and 6 together, 38, 39, 40, 44. So answer is here you get minus 44 as the value of dy. Okay, so you have the value of d, which is 8 minus 8, dx is minus 60, and dy is minus 44. So what is the Cramer's rule? By Cramer's rule, dx is how much? Minus 60. So here you get minus 60 upon d. D is what? D is minus 8. Minus 8. So minus 60 upon minus 8. So 4 2s are 4 1s are 4. 4 4 5s are 20. So x is equal to 15 upon 2. Okay. 15 upon 2 is nothing but 7.5. Okay. What is y? Y will be dy upon d. dy is minus 44 and d is minus 8. D is minus 8. Minus minus cancels. 2 4s are 8. 2 22. 2 2s are 4. 2 11. So here the answer is 11 upon 2, which is nothing but 5.5. Okay. So 2x plus y equal to 19 and 2x minus 3y equal to minus 3. We have solved the equations. So here the solution is what? X is equal to 7.5 and y equal to 5.5 is the solution of the given equation. Complete the following activity. Now this one, find the values of determinants in the given equations. So here we have d will be 3 minus 2 and 2 and 1. Okay, 3 minus 2, 2 and 1. So what you get here is 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 into minus 2. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. So 3 plus 4 it becomes, and 4 plus 7. So this is actually a 7. What about dx? Dx means you need to put the coefficient, the remaining coefficient is -2 and 3 and 1 and 16. So 16 into -2 is -32, -3, 3 ones are 3, -32 and -3 is -35. So this is actually -35. What about dy? Dy will be 3 and 3 and 2 and 16. Okay, dy means you select the coefficient of 3. This is 3x and 3, 3 and 3, and then here it is 2 and 16. So what do you get here? Here you get 16 3 is a 48 minus 3 to the 6. So you get 42. So here we have 42. Now values according to Cramer's rule. Okay, x will be what? X will be dx upon d, and that is nothing but what you get? Dx upon d is 35 upon 7. Cancels. Answer is 5 here. What about y? Y will be dy upon d. Dy upon d means 42 upon 7. 6. So this answer is 6. So what is the solution? X equal to 5 and y equal to 6 is the solution of this. Okay, hope this is very clear. Determinant method is also an easy method to solve the two equations. And to summarize, you need to know three determinants. One is d, another one is dx, the other one is dy. And according to Cramer's rule, if you divide dx by d, you will get x, and dy by d, you will get y. So the answer to this question is 5, 6 is the solution. What will happen if d equal to 0? D equal to 0 means denominator will get 0. So if denominator is getting 0, it is meaningless. Okay. Okay, now let us look at practice set number 1.3. Fill in the blanks with correct number. 3 into, this will be 5 here, minus 2 into 4. So 5 3 is a 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is nothing but 7. So find the values of the following determinants. So what will be this one? Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Directly I'm doing. Minus 7 to the 14. So what is the answer? Minus 4 minus 14 is minus 18. That is the value of the determinant. What about this one? This one will be 5 into 0 minus 3 into minus 7. So this becomes 0 plus 7 3 is a 21. So the answer to this is 21. Oh, this one is, the third one is like, just follow the same rule. 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. So what you get is 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. Okay, 7 minus 15 is, I think it's minus 8 upon 6. So what you get? 2 3 is a 6, 2 4 is a 8. So value of this is minus 4 upon 3, the third one. Next question, solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. So we will do 1 and 3 today, and you can solve the remaining as your homework. Okay. So I will take the first equation now, 3x minus 4y equal to 10. I'll go back to my, there's no need of any graph. So basically we will take a blank. I'll just stop the share, and I will share the screen Okay, share the window. Share. Okay, this is your whiteboard. Okay. Now let's look at the equations. I need to copy the two equations. The equation is 3x minus 4y equal to 10. So I'll just write it here. The first equation is 3x minus 4y equal to 10. And the second equation is equal to 10. 4x plus 3y equal to 5. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Equation number 2. Equation number 1. Now I call them equation 1 and 2 because they are already in the form of ax plus by equal to c. Okay. So the first thing you to connect to find is d. D will be what? D will be a determinant with 3 minus 4, 4 and 3. 3, this is 3 minus 4 and 4 and 3 came from the other equation. So what is this equal to? It is a 9 minus 16 is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. What about dx now? Dx again a determinant. So dx means minus 4, 10 and 3 and 5. So you x means dx you want to find, you take the coefficient of y, minus 4, 3, sorry, minus 4, 10 and 3 and 5. So what you get here is minus 4 into 5 minus 20, minus 10 into 3 is minus 30. 20 minus 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 50 dx. What about dy? Dy will be 3, 10 and 4, 5. So taking dy means you have to take 3 and 10 and 4 and 5. So what do you get here? 3 5s are 15. 3 into 5 is 15 minus 4 into 10 is 40. So here you get minus 15 minus 10 4s are 40. So 15 minus 40 is 25 minus 25. Okay, now you have all the three values with you. So find out x. X will be dx upon d, and that is minus 50 upon 25. So what happens here? So answer is minus 2. What about y? Y will be dy upon d, which is minus 25 upon 25. Dy upon d. This cancels and you get minus 1. So what is the answer? X, y is equal to minus 2 and minus 1. This is the solution of the two equation. Okay. So very simply, if you remember, first of all, convert the equations into the form ax plus by is equal to c. So that c must be on the right hand side. The 5 is a c, 10 is a c. And after that, once you could transfer that, then find out d. D is actually the coefficient of x and y, 3 minus 4 and 4, 3. And then you multiply. This is a 9 minus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. Similarly, dx would be the coefficient of y and the number. So minus 4, 10 and 3 and 5, and you get minus 50. Once you get dy also, then it's a matter of dividing dx by d, and you get minus 2. Y is equal to dy upon d, which is minus 1. Is that clear? Hopefully it is clear now. We'll do more examples, so it will be more clear to you. Okay, I'm just going to clear this drawing now, and we go for the second equation. 1 and 3 I said. So one more, x plus 2y equal to minus 1. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1, and x plus 2y equal to minus 1, and x plus 2y equal to minus 1. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So once again confirming, x plus 2y equal to minus 1, and 2x minus 3y equal to 12. All right. As you can see, the equations are already in the form ax plus by equal to c. So directly we'll find out d. D will be 1, 2, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. So this will become minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Look at dx now. dx would be 2 minus 1 and minus 3 and 12. So this will be 12 to the 24, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. So this will get 21 here. What about dy? dy would be 1 and minus 1. Sorry, 1 and minus 1 and 2 and 12. 2 and 12 dy. This becomes 12 ones are 12, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. This becomes 12 plus 2 equal to 14. What about x? X will be dx upon d, which is equal to 21 upon minus 7, which is nothing but minus 3. What about y? Y will be dy upon d, which is 14 upon minus 7, which is 7 2s are 14. So this is minus 2. So the answer is what? X, y equal to minus 3 and minus 2. That's the second question. I hope you all have understood it. We'll just stop the share here and share the screen again for the textbook. So we have understood today problem set, practice set 1.3. What is a determinant? How do you find the value of a determinant? How do you find d? How to find dx? How to find dy? And how to find x? X is equal to dx upon d and y equal to dy upon d. So that I hope you all can do the remaining sums, which is actually, I'll just mark it circle. 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y, and other equations you can try. So 1 and 3 we have done. So 2, 4, 6 and 5 you can try at home. Okay. So that completes the CRAMERS rule. So solving simultaneous equations using CRAMERS rule. Okay. So if there is any question, you can write to me. You can WhatsApp me on this number 99671377707. You can WhatsApp. Okay, I'll help you if you have any doubts in it. Always check the answer. If you're not getting the answer, then come back to me. I'll solve it in the next session, next class. All right. So we are doing algebra, S.S.C algebra, and my name is Anil, and I am thankful for those who watch the video, and those who are finding it difficult to join a coaching classes due to any reason. They can come to this channel and get updated about mathematics. Okay, and we are not using any PPT and all. We are using your textbook as the base. So all the sums in the textbook, if you solve, answers are given at the back. So always check the answers to the questions you all are solving. Okay. Thank you for joining. And any questions or any doubts, don't hesitate to send it to me by this number WhatsApp, or you can do you can join the class whenever it happens. Okay, and I'll hope to see you again. Bye.